We use technology every day, but how exactly do we get that technology? Engineers. If you have a budding young engineer or a young innovator that isn't sure if they're an engineer, our Friday engineering classes, September 12th through October 19th, are just what you need. The K4 students will be doing hands-on projects such as taking tech apart to learn the difference between mechanical and electrical engineering. We'll be putting different branches of engineering into simple terms so your innovator can create a map in their head of the field of engineering. The 5 through 8 students will be doing hands-on projects to explore a survey of the engineering field, but they'll focus on some of the more technical aspects such as the 3 kinds of work that a mechanical engineer might do, including measuring the strength of materials by radically altering the strength of a toilet paper tube, for instance, by putting sand inside. By the way, that's much stronger. The 6 to don't tell them though, that they have to find that out on their own. The 6th through 12th grade students will be exploring the different engineering disciplines by actually making some different pieces of the technology we use every day. For instance, we'll explore one aspect of civil engineering. Civil engineering is basically mechanical and electrical engineering on a much larger scale. But we'll be exploring that by creating a plausible green energy plan for the high desert. And they'll look at different renewable energy technologies and try to come up with a viable plan. We're going to build until our brains explode all day on Fridays. Okay, maybe our brains won't explode, but your innovator's mind will never shrink back after these classes. Their imagination will be unlocked in some very exciting ways. We have individual classes as well as full-day options for your engineers, so click the link in the description below and sign up to start expanding minds.